Hi everyone, welcome to the University Academy. This is Urooj, your Python instructor, and today we will study operators in Python programming. In this lecture, we will see various types of operators which is used in Python. That is, firstly, the arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, membership operators, identity operators. These are the operators that used in Python programming and used in evaluation of expression in Python, and we will discuss it one by one. So move forward. First is arithmetic operators. So what is arithmetic operators? What it basically signifies, arithmetic operators, basically it tells about that the computation can occur. There is computation which involves in arithmetic operators calculation. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations and computations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. These are the arithmetic operators that used in mathematical evaluation of expression and used in any expression. Plus, that is addition, used between two operands or unary, plus minus, subtraction, multiplication of two operands, division, modulo, floor division, exponent. These are the arithmetic operators that we used in arithmetic operations. Right, it is just an example of arithmetic operators, how the calculation can occur by using arithmetic operators. Now go to the compiler, and first we will see the difference and perform various calculations by involving the arithmetic operators. So as I told you, arithmetic operators basically are the operators that is used for mathematical computation or mathematical operations, right? So here the arithmetic operators are plus, minus, floor division, multiplication, plus, minus, multiplication, floor division, modulo. It is used for basically for getting a remainder, and that are the arithmetic operator that we used in arithmetic operation. Let's go to the compiler and see one by one arithmetic operator. Let's initialize a is equal to 10, b is equal to 30, and just perform some arithmetic operation over that. Arithmetic operations by using arithmetic operator. So here we go, print a plus b, print addition. Here we did addition, now we are doing subtraction, is also arithmetic operation. A by divide by b, division operation. Print a modulo b. That modulo operator gives us remainder. What, students? Remainder. Always remember that. And now we are running the code. Here we go. Yeah, so that it is what is the output by using arithmetic operators in arithmetic operations. That it is what it is giving us the output, that is a is 10 initialize, we initialize B30 and we perform addition, subtraction, division, model operation. 10 is a remainder. I hope you understood very well. Now go to the second operator, which is a comparison operator. Comparison operator basically are used to compare two values. It either returns false or true according to the given condition, students. Right? So comparison operators are those operators which basically give us the value true or false according to the condition, and it is used to compare what? Two values, right? Comparison operator either give you true or false. It is basically comparing two expression and giving us an output according to the given condition. It will either give you true or it will either give you false, right? That is the output that the comparison operator gave us, and will give if you put certain condition, right? And basically to compare two values. If someone will ask you what is the output of comparison operator, you will say true, either true or false. I hope you understood very well. Now come to the operators that we use in comparison operator. Greater than, less than, equal to, less than, equal to. Comparison operator are what? Greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. That is what is a comparison operator. Equal to. These are all the comparison operator, and that can be used to compare two values, and it will either give you true or false. Not equal to is also true if operands are not equal. Let's say, for example, come to the Python interpreter and perform. Let's say a is equal to 20. Initialize, we initialize a 20, we initialize b 30, 10, let's say, and we perform some comparison operator. Perform some comparison operation by using comparison operator. By using comparison operator, a print a less than b, print a greater than b, print a equal to b, print a not equal to b. Right, students? So that are all the comparison operators that we are using in order to print the output. And here we go, we are running it. It is giving us error because students here a is equal to b is nothing. It is used for initialization of a comparison. We use double equal to. Here we go. See, it is giving us output true in either true or false. As I told you, here that comparison operator are the operator that it is either give us true or false, and when we perform and when we implement it by using comparison operator, here a is less than b, we are getting true. Here is a greater than b, are getting false. A equal to b, getting false. A not equal to b, getting true. So it is giving us output only and only in the form of either true or false. Right? I hope you understood very well. Now that is the also the example. You can consider it that also, you can consider it that also. The basic motto of that is to understood, and you understood very well all over the concept in the part of implementation as well as theoretical. Now come to the next operator in which is the logical operator. Logical operator is basically a relational operator which is used to tell the relation and used to compare two values. Okay, so these are the logical operator: and, or, not. You also started and understood in the electrical, in your exam, in your mathematics in 12th. So these are the same logical operator. And, or, not. And will give you true input if both the operands are true. If x and y both are true, then it is giving you output as true. Or true if either of the operand is true. If either between x or y, if either one is true, then it will give you true in the output. Not operator, it reverse it. If your output, you are getting an output as true, it will reverse. It will give you output as false. If the output given you as false, it will reverse. It will give you output as true. So basically it reverse or it complements the operand, right? That is the example. If x is equal to true and y is equal to false, then print x and y is what we get, false, because x is true and y is false, and both should be true in order to get true in the output. But here one, it is false, so it is giving us false, right? And the next is print x or y. Here we use or operator, right? In that or operator, one have to be true. Here x is true but y is false, no problem, no issue. It says that only one should be true, right? So giving us output as true. And here print not x, not x, not x is not x, means if x is true, then it will give you reverse or complement of that, which is false. So it is giving us the output false. Let's perform same calculation there, same part there. If I initialize x is equal to true and y is equal to false, what we are doing here, we are performing logical operations, right? By using and or not. Print, let's say print x, first logical operand that we are using here is and, x and y. Next logical operand that we are using here is or. Print x or y. Next logical operand that we are using here, not. Print not x and not y, any of them you can do. Print not x. And let's again we are using not operand, not logical operator, not y. Here we go. Now we are going to compile it or run it. Yeah, here we go. So it is giving us output x and y. In that case, and operator say that both have to be true. X and y both have to be true, so that it will give us the output true. But here y is false, one of them is false, so it is giving us false. In the or operator, what is the condition? That one have to be true. Either x or y, one have to be true. So but in that case, x is true but y is false, no problem, it will give you true, because or says that one have to be true. Not x, it will complement or reverse the particular variable, the value of particular variable. Here x is true, so it will complement, it is giving us false in the output. And here not y, and what y is equal to false, we initialize y is equal to false, the value of y is false. And what not logical operator say, that it reverse the value. If y here is in that case is false, then it will reverse it and will give us the output true. And that it is what logical operations are and logical operators are. We also studied about here arithmetic operation, comparison operation by using comparison operator, less than, equal to, greater than, not equal to, and now logical operations by using logical operator, that is and or not. Now move towards assignment operator. Assignment operator is basically used to assign a value or data to a particular variable. Used in Python to assign values to a variable. Let's say if a is equal to 5 is a simple assignment operator that assigns the value 5 on the right to the variable on the left. There are various compound operators in Python like a plus equal to 5 that adds to a variable and later assigns the same. It is equivalent to a is equal to a plus 5. What assignment operator is? Assignment operator is basically assigns a data to a variable. Right? If we are using any variable and we need to assign any value to a variable, then what we will use assignment operator. Okay, so assignment operator is basically used to assign a value to a variable, right? Assign value to a variable, and it is represented by equal to, let's say example, if a is equal to 5, what it means we are assigning a value, assigning 5 value, assigning 5 to a, right? And if we are doing, and we can also use assignment operator in that format, a plus equal to 5, it doesn't mean anything, it just means same, that we are adding a plus 5. It simply means that if we can write it as like that, or a is equal to a plus 5, it means same, both have same meaning. I hope you understood very well that it is what assignment operator is. And these are the assignment operator. That how can we use assignment operator? We can use assignment operator with any arithmetic operator. Plus is equal to, like a is equal to a plus 5. Like if we say, like minus, another example, we are doing a minus, if we are doing a minus equal to 5, it just means nothing, it just means a is equal to a minus 5, right? If we are doing a multiplication equal to 5, it just means we are multiplying the value of a by into 5 and we are storing it into a. That it is what assignment operator do. That it is what the task of assignment operator, to assign a data or a value to a variable and to perform arithmetic calculation according to that. Now come to the another operator, which is membership operator. Membership operators test for membership in a sequence such as string, list or tuple. There are two types of membership operator, in and not in. It only tells us the membership. Membership means relationship between the operators. It doesn't do anything, just tell us the membership in a given sequence in any data type. And the two membership operators are used, which is in and not in. And another logical operator is identity operator. Identity operator compare the memory location of two objects. There are two identity operators, explain, is and is not. So basically, identity operator do not do anything, it just tell you students to compare the memory locations of two objects. If we have the object a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10, so it will compare the memory storage between two objects, two operands, two variables, right? And always remember there are two types of identity operator, is and is not, right? What is membership operator? Membership operator basically, students tells you about the membership in the particular tuple, in the particular list, in the particular data type, any data type, string, tuple, list. It will tell you about the membership. And there are two types of membership operator, identity operator and next what we discuss is identity and membership operator. right? Membership operators, identity operator and membership operator, these both are the operator. Firstly we saw membership operator. It will tell you about the membership, like is. There are two types of membership operator, in and not in, right? That we discussed, in and not in. There are two types of membership operator. In, first is in, and second is not in. It will tell you about the membership between objects and strings tuple list. And the next we discussed is identity operator. Students, identity operator is basically compare memory location of two objects, right? Identity operator, what identity operator do? Identity operator compares the memory storage location between two objects. And there are two types of identity operator, that is and not is not, right? It basically what it do, it does not do anything, it will just compare memory locations between two objects. When someone will ask you what is identity operator, you will say that it compares memory location between two objects. Objects means any variable, two variables, right? And there are two types of identity operator. First is and the second is not. Is and the second is not. Okay students, I hope you get it very well. So in that lecture, what we see, we just see various types of operators. We saw that there are various types of operator that is used in the evaluation of expression in Python. We saw arithmetic operator, we saw logical operator, we also saw assignment operator, we also started membership operator, we also started identity operator. So now I'm going to summarize up to just recall everything. So first is arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operator, we discussed that it is used to perform mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we also implement it in the Python interpreter in the Python Google Colab. Here we implement arithmetic operations by using arithmetic operator, addition, multiplication, division, modulo. These are the arithmetic operator. And the next operator which we discussed is that students, comparison operator. Comparison operator is basically compare two values and will give us output either true or false according to the condition. It will give us output only in the form of true or false, right? So here also we did implementation like if a is equal to 20 and b, we initialize as 10, and we perform comparison operation by using comparison operator. Comparison operator means greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. So these are what? These are the comparison operator, and we perform it or comparison operation like that, and it will give us either true or false in the output, right? And the next operator which we started in that lecture is logical operator. Logical operator is basically tell you logically about the relation, and it will either give you true or false either. There are three types of logical operator, and or not. We studied it and we also implement it in a Python environment. Here we did, if we initialize x true and we initialize y false, then when we perform logical operations, print x and y, print x or y, not x, not y. What not do? Not just reverse or complement the value, right? So that it is what the output that we are getting by using logical operators in the logical operation in the form of true or false at the end of the output, right? And the next operator which we discussed is assignment operator. Assignment operator basically tells you about assigning the value, assigning the data to a particular variable. It will tell you like to assign data. If we are assigning a is equal to 5, what it means that we are assigning the value 5 in the variable a, and there are various ways to assign values like that. In that table, in that chart, you can see that the various types of assignments are done by using various types of arithmetic operator. Equal to, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, floor division, exponential, and not, greater than equal to, bitwise, left shift, right shift, equal. Everything can be done by using assignment operator plus arithmetic operator. Alright students, and we also see that if you are using a plus equal to 5, and if you are using a is equal to a plus 5, both of them have same meaning, that we are incrementing the value of a by 5. If we are using a minus equal to 5, and if we are using a is equal to a minus 5, it means same. Both have same meanings, that we are decrementing the value of the value of a by 5. If we are using a multiplication equal to 5, if we are using a is equal to a multiplication 5, both have same meaning. We are just multiplication doing, we are just multiplicity by 5 in a, right? So that it is what assignment operator is. And the next operator that we started in that lecture is membership operator. Membership operator only test for membership in a sequence such as string, list, tuple. There are basically two types of membership operator, in and not in, that we already discussed. In or not in, these are two types of membership operator. And what membership operator do? Membership operator only tests the operation of membership in a particular order of sequence in a list, tuple, string, etc., any data type. And the next operator which we saw in that lecture is that last is identity operator. Identity operator does not do anything. Identity operator just compare the memory storage location of two objects, two variables, two data types. It can be string, it can be object, it can be any variable, it can be integer, it can be float, it can be tuple, it can be list, any data type, just to compare two memory location. And two types of identity operator, is and is not. Basically these are the two types of identity operator that are used in Python, is and is not. So in that lecture we studied very well everything, each and logical operation. And if you still have any doubts students, let me know in the comment section. And practice more, do more, and you will get it more. Just have some focus and study well. These are the operators that are used in Python, in C++, in Java, in any programming language. You have to face these operators in day-to-day life as well, and in any subject as well. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much students, stay safe and just study well. And we already discussed membership operator, identity operator, arithmetic operator. We also discussed type conversion, and we also discussed elements of Python. So we are moving forward, and please practice more, recall previous lectures to practice, so you have basics of Python clear, cluster clear, so you don't have any problem in going forward by in advanced concept. And that's it. Today in the lecture we discussed it, and if you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much student.